The Filipino word masaya, which means happily in English or happy as well. Masaya. Masaya. Tumawa sila ng masaya sa biro. They laughed happily at the joke. Tawa means like to laugh, and then masaya is happily, and then a biro is a joke. Tumawa sila ng masaya sa biro. Sumayaw ang mga bata ng masaya. The children danced happily. Sumayaw is like, sayaw is like the root word that means dance. Sumayaw is danced. Bata is a child. Mga is the plural marker, mga bata. So it means children. Masaya is happily. So sumayaw ang mga bata ng masaya. Tinanggap niya ang regalo ng masaya. He or she accepted the gift happily. Tinanggap, tanggap means like receive. Tinanggap is received or accepted. That's the past tense niya. Is he or she? It's gender neutral. A regalo is a gift, and then masaya is happily. Tinanggap niya ang regalo ng masaya. Sila ay nag-usap ng masaya tungkol sa bakasyon. So, they talked happily about the vacation. Sila is they, and then usap is like a conversation. They talk. Nag-usap past tense, and then masaya is happily, and then tungkol sa, about, and then bakasyon is vacation. Sila ay nag-usap ng masaya tungkol sa bakasyon. And that is all for our Filipino word masaya, which means happy or happily. Masaya. Masaya.